India's first bullet train corridor includes a 21-kilometer tunnel. 5 kilometers of this tunnel, built using the NATM method, have been fully excavated. With excavation complete, work has now advanced to the next stages of tunnel construction. Inside the tunnel, the drainage system is being constructed using a drainage casting gantry, ensuring that all seepage water is safely collected and channeled away through a dedicated drainage system. Waterproofing gantries then install specialized membranes, creating a protective barrier that seals the tunnel against water ingress. Reinforcement bar cages are being prepared and installed along the tunnel profile, forming the steel framework that strengthens the final concrete lining. The lining gantry follows, casting the final concrete lining that gives the tunnel its permanent structural strength and smooth finish. Dedicated equipment rooms are also being developed to house the critical systems required for operations and maintenance. With each stage progressing steadily, the underground section of India's first bullet train project moves closer to completion.